Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Agent Dreamer. Today our topic gonna be stock markets. This video is for beginners and intermediates. So before going into this topic, once again welcome to Agent Dreamer. Uh, what are the steps you need to take before trading or before going into the stock market and these stocks? Okay, before going into the stock markets, I recommend you to make your own research regarding the stock markets, how the trend follows, and what like uh, just monitor some stocks, pick some stocks, any stocks, and just monitor how they're going. So just watch it for a week or kind of thing. Yeah, and consider your finance, like how much you can put into stock markets. So I don't prefer putting all in one shot. Like you can start with very small amount also, like 500,000, and the small amount also. So consider your finance, how much you can put every month, how much you can save for the stock markets. uh, and to start trading in stock market, you should have a demat account. You can consider brokers for demat accounts. In India there are some brokers like Zerodha, Funds India, Grow, and Money Control, and lot more brokers out there. I'm not recommending anyone. And yeah, they will charge some brokerage for when you buy stocks and sell stocks also. And that is very low. So some percentage, like the max price will be like 20 rupees, and some percentage like 0.2% and 0.3% kind of. So well yeah, you need this basic stuff, and you need your KYC be verified and your KYC be done. Like, don't worry about that. Your broker will do everything after you set up an account with them, demat account with them. They will open your KYC and trading account, also your mutual fund account. So, what are the basic stuff, other stuff you need to know before going into the stock markets? I hope you watch the video till end, so I can give more important thing at the end. So please watch this video till the end. And these are the basic terms I consider. Basic terms in the sense, very basic terms: NSE, BSE, Nifty, and Sensex. So what is NSE and BSE? NSE and BSE are the two stock exchanges, like a shop. You go and buy the things, and this is the shop for stocks. You go there means not going directly there. So going through the broker, going online platform, buying the stocks. Earlier, uh, when this technology is not there, people used to buy physically these stocks. Now we are good to go with the technology, so we can buy it through online platform. So don't need to worry, like your money will be lost. I mean, the companies will run away by taking your money, or brokers will run away by taking your money. So before opening the brokerage, they should register with the government. So you can pick any brokerage like Zero, the like earlier I said, the names to Google it, is registered with the government or not. I mean, government in a sense, stock exchange or not. So uh, the regulations are very high for this, so they can't run with your money, but they can't. Government is not guaranteed for your losses and gains. So yeah, it is very safe to invest in the stocks. Safe in the sense, yeah, they're not gonna run with your money. So anyway, NSE and BSE are National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. So BSE is very old one, like it's there from 18s, and NSE is there from 19 and early 20s, like 1970, 1980. So BSE is very old one, and NSE is the younger one. If we talk about the Nifty and Sensex, these are two indices of the which represents these NSE and BSE. Nifty goes NSE and Sensex for BSE. In Nifty, what will be there in the Nifty? Well, when I say indexes means Nifty holds the top 50 performing companies. Mm, yeah, yeah, top 50 performing companies. The list of top 50 performing companies will go in the Nifty, and top 30 performing companies will go in the Sensex. So if you see Nifty and Sensex, the companies which are in the Sensex will be also in the Nifty. Some tricks in the sense I can share one tip, sorry, one tip for now. Like if you go for high investment, you can check the both Nifty and Sensex. Like day trading, I will tell you about the day trading later. So say about the day trading and buying and selling in use, you can use a trick like selling in Nifty as buying in Sensex or buying in Sensex and selling in Nifty, because the price will be most of the times will be a little bit higher, different. I said the same stocks will be there, so the price won't be the same. So very little difference will be there. So there you can hold some margins and make gains over there. And coming to the basic terms, I will talk about this later, tricks and tips. So these are the basic terms when you talk about the stock market. So annual report like means in the annual report the company will be holding everything like how much cash flows, revenue generating, and future plans of the company, and managing directors, about managing directors and everything. That will be of very lengthy PDF, but you can see some terms like future plans of the company, and how much they are making profit, and past performance of the company, and yeah, like how much they're gonna invest, and yeah, pretty well. These basic terms you can go with the annual letter as a beginner, and if yeah, annual report will be issued by the company every year, so you can download that in Google. It's available. It's available in the Google. Next is beta, a measurement of the relationship between the price of a stock and the price of the stock and the movement of the whole market. Like if say stock XYZ has a beta of 1.5, that means that every 1 point move in the market, the stock XYZ moves 1.5 point, and vice versa. Blue chip stocks, I like this term, blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks, the stock behind large. It means they offer a stable record, significant dividend payment. Dividend in the sense, I will cover this later. In one word, I can say blue chip stock means luxury stocks or the biggest stocks. You can say broker. So broker, yeah, the person who buys or sells an investment for you in exchange for a fee. Like I said, some brokerage fees. And the bid is the amount of money the trader is willing to pay per share for a given stock. It's a balance against the ask price, which is what a seller wants per share of the same stock, and the spread is the difference between those two prices. And open and close. So open and close is like the closing price of the stock, like in Nifty or Sensex, the stock market closes in day three, afternoon three. So what is the price at the time of the closing is called as close, and it's vice versa. Like open the next morning, the market will open at 9 o'clock. So the price when the market is open, the price with the price with the price of a share at market opening time is called as the opening price. Day trading, dividend. Well, day trading and dividend are the separate. Sorry for mixing them up. Day trading is like buying and selling in the same day. Dividend means company issuing their profit, and not the whole profit, some part of the profit to shareholders is called as dividend. exchange is like, exchange is the place in which different investments are traded. It's called exchange. Execution means if you buy or sell an order, it means your broker has been executed it. It means it's sold, but it will take some time to reflect. And next is high. Yeah, high refers to a market milestone in which a stock or index reaches a great price point than previously. So recorded high can signal that a stock or index has never reached the current price point, but there are also time constrained highs such as a 30 days highs. And next is IPO, initial public offering. It means when a company is ready to sell its shares to uh, people, it's called as initial public offering, but I don't suggest to buy in the initial public offering because the prices will be high. So wait for some time till they, this is the tip, put it in square brackets. So wait for the company, I mean, the price goes, that's why stocks goes down, the price goes down, then you can buy it like it's a smart way, I can say. Margin. So margin is a margin account. It's a separate account. A margin account lets a person borrow money, take out a loan, essentially from a broker to purchase an investment. The difference between the amount of the loan and the price of the securities is called a margin. So trading, I don't recommend this at all because if you are wrong about the direction in which the stock will go, you can lose the significant cash. So, and you must often maintain a minimum balance in a margin account. So next, our portfolio, rally, spread, and volume. So after these four, I will make a separate video for the next topics. Well, next topic is gonna be very important for the beginner and the intermediate. So you don't wonder about stock markets anymore, and you can quickly become a master. The Thanos snap, and you can get into investment if you saw my next if you see my next video also. So quickly, what is portfolio? So portfolio is like your portfolio, like if you are a trader, portfolio is like collection of investment owned by investor makes up his or her portfolio. You can have a few as one stock in your portfolio, or you can also buy more stocks and try balancing it. And what is a rally? Rally is a rapid increase in the general price level of the market, or the price of a stock is known as a rally. What it means, like a rapid increase in the general price level of the market, or the price of a stock is known as a rally, and it means rapid increase of the price. And the spread, the difference between the bid and the ask price of the stock is called a spread, or the amount for which someone is willing to buy it and the amount for which someone is willing to sell it. For instance, if a trader is willing to trade XYZ stock for $10 and a buyer is willing to pay $9 for it, the spread is one. The difference, right? Volume. The number of shares of stock traded during a particular time period, normally measured in average daily trading volume. Volume can also mean the number of shares you purchase of a given stock. For instance, buying 2,000 shares of a company is a higher volume purchase than buying 20 shares. So the volume is basically like the number of shares traded during a particular time period. So this is pretty much about the basic terms you need to learn about the stock markets in upcoming videos. I will give very very important tips and tricks so you won't be wondering and roaming over the net to search to search about the stocks and this stuff, and worrying like how to start and where to start, how to worry about the gaining and these stuff. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you also gonna watching my next video. So it will cover mostly the tricks and little bit maths. Bear with me, it's gonna benefit you. And if this video helped you, please Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.